Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. We were making cinnamon rolls this morning for a school class, and I thought I would share a quick cooking tip when making cinnamon rolls. If you use dental floss to cut your cinnamon rolls, they don't get squashed and it isn't so messy as when you use a knife. It's easy to do. You just put the floss under the cinnamon roll dough, cross your hands, and put one end of the floss in each hand, and then cross back to make the perfect cut. Once again, put the floss under the cinnamon roll dough, cross your hands, and put one end of the floss in each hand and cross your hands back. Cinnamon rolls are a perfect choice for a wonderful holiday breakfast. They don't cost a lot to make, but they taste fantastic. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms channel. Please subscribe for more videos just like this.